Hey guys, magmumukbang po kami ng magmumukbang challenge.
Oh my God! Wow!
Mga 7.
Gago!
Kasama ko po yung pamangking ko, yung babae. So, mamaya lang po. Bye-bye. So, yun guys, magmumukbang challenge nga po kami ng aking pamangkin.
Don't the water grow the trees? Don't the moon pull the tide? Don't the stars light the sky? Like you need to light my life. If you need me anytime, you know I'm always right by your side. And see, I never felt this love. You're the only thing that's on my mind. You don't understand how much you really mean to me. I need you in my life, you're my necessity, yeah. But believe me, you're everything that just makes my world complete. And my love is clear, the only thing that I'll ever see. All I ever need, baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me. Stars light the sky, like you need to light my life. We can't do anything you like. I know we both can get it right tonight. You got your walls built up high. I can tell by looking in your eyes. You don't understand how much you really mean to me. I need you in my life, you're my necessity, yeah. But believe me, you're everything that just makes my world complete. And my love is clear, the only thing that I'll ever see. All I ever need, baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me. You're all I ever need. Baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me. When it comes to you, baby, I'm addicted. You're like a drug, no rehab can fix it. I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all. When it comes to you, baby, I'm addicted. You're like a drug, no rehab can fix it. I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all. All I ever need, baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me.
Nakasip po yung gano'n. Kahit yung nakakapon pa rin.
Ako isang malaking waiver kasi nung nakipag-usap ako sa mga ibang designers na kailangan natin magpasako para mas mapinis ang puso, mas mapinis kasi ang kailangan natin oras.
Dahil dito, hindi man siya kumita gaya ng dati, nakitawid naman ang trabaho nito ang pang-araw-araw ng buhay niya. Pati ang kanyang mga mananangin.
Gamit tayo palaman.
Dito naman sa Barangay Kuya, Quezon City, nakilala namin ang tricycle driver na si Saman
Busog na ako.
Maulana. Sa pamamasada niya, kinukuha ang panggastos ng kanyang
Medyo buhayin
pamilya.
dyan.
2 anak at kasalukuyang buntis ang misis. Kung dati, kumikita siya ng 600 hanggang 700 pesos kada araw. Nahinto ito dahil sa sityo. Pero nang mabigyan ng ayudang 2,000 piso mula sa City Hall, pumisip ka agad ng diskarte si Saman.
Ano masasabi mo sa ating pagkakain?
Masarap po siya. Busog na po ako.
Ito po ang aming cameraman. Cameraman. Diba? Ay, ano yan? So yun guys. Hindi nga po kami makakain na ayos kasi nakakain na po kami kanina ng hapunan. Busog na po kaya nalit po yung challenge na ginawa namin ngayon, yung mukbang. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Bye bye!